This is a brief high-level overview about what is StudentTracker. StudentTracker allows you to track students' educational outcomes nationwide. The National Student Clearinghouse receives post-secondary enrollment information from all types of institutions. These include 2-year, 4-year, graduate, public, private, trade, and vocational schools. The Clearinghouse covers 98% of all public and private U.S. college enrollment. Thus, utilizing StudentTracker is more reliable and cost-effective than survey data. StudentTracker provides non-survey-based reports illustrating the post-secondary enrollment, persistence, and completion of your former graduates or students. It helps you better understand how well your academic programs are preparing former graduates for post-secondary education. It will also help your staff to see which top schools your students are attending after graduation. In conclusion, it illustrates post-secondary success of your former graduates based on various demographic characteristics and academic histories. For more information and tutorials, please visit our Clearinghouse Academy site at www.clearinghouseacademy.org and click on Secondary Education.